Hello, agus fáilte bhí rás héic na seansálaithe, mas maith na seansálaithe blach iad na seansálaithe. Is me Hugh Mac Giolla Chearra, má jazz agus toasty in the Geansaí Aran, matas of Gurker and Fish, agus man bhfuil just Saoirse and Geansaí is furfa a walk tú líche it were seal. Oh my god, just agus cashmere. So Gucci is via Aran Mhaoir. Tá ma anseo le má chuid cairde in seo man seo le Mhaoir Áine Geansaí.
Tá go mai Hugh agus tú féin.
Agus tá anseo le James ó Flatharta, James Geansaí.
Yeah, go on, no, go on, Hugh. Cheamh go anseo le Chris Evans me le jumper bráis in third.
I'm telling you, the roasted or Geansaí, I think it was Sean Hugh style. I think we should think me call her. Agus Shaw like be me kai shot on it. Ní bhím like a genuine einrod leis, like mat ma hun equal to be like clock a mess, mat ma hun like dull at because like Neema Gary al Sala and Einhor. So it's basically just blanketed on chat. Sorry.
Yeah, what do Kujaku vinte on Shupo in Ishmael? Like does like shaky €1 like.
I should on Luker.
I guess kai to like well like now running at the L like he laid the lanu like it's not like they just kai just so washing because
oh no. Show hand wash if I do in lotion.
Yeah.
Who'd have thought to Oring, huh? Be supplying the stars. Chris Evans, Patrick Dempsey, agus Hugh Carr.
Hugh Carr, only the best. And the top celebs, Arthur and Cheer.
Top 15 sexiest men in the world.
One may echo Forbes in this chatting show. 30 under 30. Should have flan. Jumper test which crack to live. How are the land with the interacting show? The storm bara ogin.
Yeah.
Are you Jimmer Visha or Hashif Quactabi? No, and Russia fairly handy enough. But Jimmer Visha. Or should Galip. So the orange weather warning of. So yeah, Jimmer Visha.
Ní hála tá an gáile, just cos le any other day of the week. Like,
yeah. Anticlimactic.
Yeah.
Muid rail don the smasa bhí má na daoine chonim lo chuisteach is iste ceanna cuinle mar bhí de ragmach guchta me ar fud na tíre for muid na hot whiskies ré hí na scan an Nollaig siúla goin hí muid batten down the hatches go meach ar in fan teistí gur dóí a gurchléig gur cabéad ní ro se róil go churpe.
No. Homa mis bháile ó gálaigh in chearrua. Agus is absolutely grand agus téanú the hála na bhí me garrua gur crán tí móganach, but other than that absolutely dada like bín sé gúní big out sus instead mo chuise anyways agus ní tada an iríomh so
é sin ráte bhí sé angarú gon é chlár at gro Mhaoir so tá me sásta gro me gáú seachas sílam goir den éigen bás gon é chlár ó bheith bheith có garú gur séidir den Mhaoirí. So an difriochtta there an da chun bé as go garda chéile.
A bhí sin Mhaoir Marty Morrissey fásta.
Yeah.
Scéal miltna. But bhí se níor se rá go le lí a Harpy agus cin is fearr was go raibh so chuir siad orange weather warning in seo mu le lia le ha iné le nó go leiscail an cedí níon Jardín chuir siad orange weather warning on agus bhí so Richard na scalta ar fád but and bhín orange weather warning idir an dálhugur mágin agus an seachtainúil mágin so ní rud dinnear bí ag dulthaigh scáil ag an amsin na ní rud dinge bí le chun bheith le i gáil ní rud daltaí bí chun a bheith hart ag an amsin ar aonnos idir an am bhín orange weather warning on the Harvey so bhí se ní ro se rá go lí réige ar heard iontainta get bh dagaí get couple spitten rain mar dearn just PC farhanne and this is a ríis.
Gula mé gro snachta hús in ngáil.
Bhí, but so tá like páirt in dúna like páirt idir litre canning agus na rásas tá don luhí agus gcónaí fáinte snachta allhór like achan blian agus bhí se tíar mar sin fásta im líana ach an lad bocht a bhí ar an schedule le go más a speed van an leiis sin bhí like dinge ar cool an airgo like agus é like snearta like allwer charta agus speed van in we ar ogdú go dinge gal haar seaca mile an hour a ri an snearta is massa an blian so I hope gro se breche an lad bocht
Crater.
Was like a smooth piss on some off for na orange agus red weather warnings na go mean moon study off agus beam chin just pissed off ma being just look most pub agus having the crack in seachtainiúil just like you'd stay off it on the whole place people actually quite jealous like to be honest
sure how class of mar
going into the moonshine James
Ní chunam le moonshine ach like basically 90% go Tini means like Miss Penlobe is Moon Street into so be my fake like chinny look more is being like oh man just
Baxters
should have picked a different lifestyle.
The road is at the Winchar James Geansaí Winchar about it.
Alcoholic.
Facts say.
Well, like in fairness, been 3V ad off the sour like so. Keep that what to you know like what was launch just got way down. Well, honestly, I think either I could go one or two ways. But my like the best friend on the adult knew I'm an absolute prick. So
yeah,
I don't know. Depends on probably the law and there's things on.
I think we're bestie now about to and thing is massa leve is the shammer rangla. So go about to cost that I don't know Rochelle go shit not be like muncher carpet hason. Agus initially a race then Geansaí Aran sear or whatever. Like initially race just like to basically arcane dingy. And he'd just be like, cop on, right, come on, right, start. cop the fuck on. Let the hell. Shouldn't rud away in the territory and amber fad.
Well, we moons running for some moons started. I guess just like hold 3 and cow wrong, but just free class on because you know, just for the craic.
You know what? Better and Rahim is just some insurance. Better flag imaging Argach Boston is Rahim just hey
Ní sé bh iontach Tá fós amgan.
Yeah, Hibernia, that could be the end.
Yeah. Could be done.
The rotas is the winter and you can't say winter about it.
Well, bhí mhair in a múntar bunscoile so sin go in rud céin mar go tá níos mó rá agat de sin go ní simúla na bheith dúr áhharháin nó áhar mar múntar manscoile.
Yeah, but like but to do la yoga, it's like to rain over good, but it's like him plus Inishin da. Like it's not like go to
wad past yoga na Jagory. She'll go Jagory grana let munchori.
Kid fun kid. Oh my god, like smite you like vi miss Mhaoir is got Shinfa Napro Mishkari Vamer Winchar. Because I was like there arms to Dale that dingy like in Marang, agus few my hand like their arms to deal on main like they're fast so I was like nah shut up like
Connie men stress the current because current stress or Mhaoir na bhí munu agus tagamo ó hailach the untori drachas ger for sekis muntori it come so clusham for achan sauru been should linketr.ee mac faoin post ní mailer dinner being a cnílacha no an ober breisiú le hagan leis níl tú caiin faoi ní go trí níos mó tá caiin faoi na Crow Park hours agus an breisiú gad chéanana tu go le banaltre agus tiismthir as choirleir ornta mar caiit tú kind of an den páiste bailach ar bhí go dig le a bheith.
Yeah. Sim go mil stuff with Crow Park hours. I mean the couple of the mention is just non pala amateur Harby so I don't know came fog go lahu genu couple of earn park file you know. You hit me.
Gosh, I was looking on 7 side inwards.
No, I don't like. I'd say in this listen the lane to see her beyond like ro dingy bun salt is it Marial go na Áine strategy cheese the die against agus fast the Marialer Calú na club na Ige so you know probably pre-drinks Tasha to get triathlon Chitronona agus
pre-drinks to Tossie Scott
pre-drinks to Tossie Scott Muela Connie but it's the Mueli gym just laying
ní taobhann sí móganna ach hard whiskies.
Oh, definitely. And well, Janet should chin so White House. Do you know what the Janet should?
Irish coffees.
Yeah, no, but my acting to pick through there's the thing you saw like in the like actually the Veganuary and be I had my acting to pick through that like you know the like this thing in chat like gold hey because more than I'm all hand it like it's just not phage lave shasted heart like you know
Really?
like well like Sally like their own picture on that like you know like in the other like called Hardy say like you know kind of Bud Light not really you know it'd be the biggest meme about like whereas Mata Kopaku it's like oh yeah no just ik bun saltas balgante you know
she nach mean in the chat show session like
oh yeah
me all like to get that goal to losing them
shows
like
yeah
in sin she ditch go her and Graham Norton show in sin she ditch go she the goal.
Oh, I think you Graham Norton think on the Aaron side though. I think you could is no Morgan even on the Aaron and show
no Ishka
yeah
straight vodka what a character in Gidor not patching oh my god I mean not ku or Cora Martin Tom Pianin absolutely plastered I think it's much than the like sire and chart this Mayo and right I screw Lauren chart I know there's a father la walk Cora so I think that's in begin sin lots fé to or na size e even on I can't be Graham Norton agus mu chart was to give Leonor or being Claire Archer segway oh my god oh yeah cost Paul Blart the segways
just smooth
oh Leonor charts was and we'll not to be will goals be governors the high and Leonor like Gajer while of Vienna
not really he didn't mean in the New Year's resolutions now I must say but I think I just kun vi me zem blinse just kun overuse my in the gym agus podcast is open is all that crack just keep up the good work really I don't know like
hustling
yeah just stupid just oh yeah just because that January on oh yeah I'm going to gym whole lot like relax like need to go like the good in the bar like probably going in my dry January though in fairness John can do this map but I'm read all January so that's pretty depressing so yeah
wait are the club oranges not the Sidonas just to feel something
the non-alcoholic session through elevates above
and Veganuary you know like Nariana needs fiol na ifhan that could be rud dan blian
yeah ring Misha
and you're into
yeah surprisingly I know yeah
I was gonna say
Tá sé genta go rinne ar sin
I went to say fast you
rinne se mai
oh my god mission thing away like yeah
Beirta inis sa blin
oh no gus the shop tap is
Níl sin níl se go sa ceapú couple lá scoin blachtúir agus móing tú mai
no ní
full an siad am in okay well sin do haí James cai nach to bhí here during go James is to get prati your friend
Vim should like the most unhealthiest I think of my shit like you have brutal like yeah get you opening the happy pair pre-cooked meals oh gee you're brutal you're getting over if you like Jesus
you know what Rodoan acronym la Veganuary na
yeah August
as cash
I was into the oh geez what a class it's a shaft and a big dairy milk no need to know
a chocolate my vegan out I know not garden to me
Taylor ma ta vegan Oreos
oh yeah that's vegan
yeah need to even now kintamter on fake meat kintamter Geansaí
corn
need vegan
no Ivacan
yeah
tá rud eile mai ar fáil. I gcompar le chuig blian óin níach Linda McCartney agan inis tá Denny's a genú vegan sausages is pudding agus
well ní an ghlaú le aon wasla ar aim Linda McCartney because tá áid ispaní fucking deadly so nábí mágu faoi Linda nis ní ghlaí má leis
so thu lá bhí January enú
agus just ispaní Linda McCartney just ná
Tá na chicken agus go dá
na Lindas tá agus na burgers fásta when ma couple
cans sin burgers, sausages, chicken nuggets. Ní se healthy like just níl. And let's go to go in kiche friggin mála mór veg choiche like.
Well sin cinál an dair an mis le glorpónarí agus avocado agus sin dair mis fáil an protein like.
Pag le veggie burrito just an le just
But need to know sour cream that's a burrito.
Oh yeah. Oh my god.
I do an issue. I do rud igen bhil go le ráig dear na mísa ag Jeremy Anner le chuir leis an gcóra seo.
Yeah. I know yeah. Tá go dé Jerry mu Jerry Veganuary Jerry oh my god má go sin le máú absolutely.
Yeah. Like the withered cheese.
Sílam gonneanní mé just beidir vegetarian gur mé anar mlína just is maiile mar dagan in Nollaig néan brúscar le sin ihe just gur dagan ní séitme gur coppla seachtain.
It's cleanse in the
January tá Áine in the vegetarian January agus tá mis in the dry January. Ach in fairness omsa like mini St. Patrick's Day amsa January me go be my birthday on so tá cadam old at my birthday.
And that way. So in La went and sort of Braithla James be alcoholic James be filthy burger ogum still land made cream agus cash exactly there. I guess be couple of spin again. I think we should fair out it. Yeah, I think cool.
Well tá bhla cumai ag ar an fihi míú lá bhíanaar so bei steak agus lobster agus achan rud agam lá sin.
Yeah. Sin a rud amháin just cap him like tá rinne Veganuary go mécha in a big missed steak. Gur maigen an teí na an teí. Sin Jaron ppodchraoladh give me the
mic. Sin looking go na stand-ups means Hughie in it.
Yeah. Fáin go bhhaici si bhanis an ceadú eile bíon gailgair ar siúil just ní bheith ticket ar bhí díalta ar Harb. What do you call it? No, I think we shouldn't quite. Well, we'll rather be yellow or while that's the anyway, and you like high and Bleanor, like we'll lane goals are good.
So tá mise cos le James is maiim do le an gym go réalta a caiimrá leis naimseir an tamse an bblion tá sé dolí breú chum hédul just leis na tróntaí geara agus tá sé anúair muos ní me chu breúar hédul fi lá ar bhhailms blion or just thereis i ghlaachú dul beidir ceúir sa teachtain ag ihe go maiid agus just bheith fólan mar tá mí anar grúma go leor sa caiitú dégan éana le taonna chuinádal.
Sin rud amháin it's like cén fá go ronin with mí anar mór an is fearr le na rudí mór seo a dhéanú like when it's already like there's a darcha hat like níos a gú níos deal le tomó fáda se fuair like so better ní anima Veganuary better ní
just go ní tú go bhéir bhfuilta géirí.
Beidir ihí ma níos mó bí ach sílan go bheith sin rud is fearr le dhéanú mar le codúlum fáil ré, but then caiitú fá ré tan saoú chart then in the Asian caiitú and beach bod.
Summer bod.
I'm telling you.
Hot girl summer coming up,
Jeez, so far away.
So that prep time in niche on you.
Yeah, caiitú fá ré.
Guns.
Okay.
Yeah.
Will in plan me agus tain hiú den bblianúir?
See, tá mis really false like ní James ag dín gym ní ní dhéanam ein BS slideshow like Harva Harva for my takeaway a rare agus níhar mai agus bhí lein féin chuachta gom leis na dhéanú. Nis, dearhan go dhéanhí má nach that, but so like like rudí le haid like an blianúir, it's always like tá just gar níos mó rudí cruúthe dhéanú, like bhhailm like níos mó rudí scríú, so mission agus marall ar an stand-up agus an sin like bhhailm tá grammar tá mai Gary stuff a dhéanú marla, like ní dhéanam rudí ahain rudí an Gaelic, like ní dhéanam rudí grin achan Gaelic, so bhrealm níos mó stuff a dhéanú in achanchanga gur féidir le dhéanú, more is multilinguist me, I think it's cunning linguist mar dearint agus so agus rudí definitely smó rudí screw her machar like script go mun le journal like the drama screw se, and I was like shot class much gar kinda dhéanú nus like my gary drama dhéanú le a hall like no sketches no mission, so sif much cén dói a chain of Liam
so na bheits an script skrift that be obviously be just start on, so
I mean it's vehicle aid, that's it. Sinna flag go mar curry le cheala tá just Gary bhhailm tu a bheith mar réalt dá mas sráith nua atá chuna bheith ar well, ni bheith me update ar YouTube because be raw raunchy, so I think gaime tá ma smuitiú ar a lein tá lein smuitiú gom dá rudí nach féidir le tiispan ar talafis, so the couple of sih beidir go méid cad go é dhéanú ní airman an aim ach deirhíime go bhfuil raim leis le born bob
nus tá fátsam.
But no, to my so it's more of the crew, that's sin going with boy anu I think Sean Blian and go on Jenny much stand up in it.
Even like Dini Vins are all we should go tossy like gym for example in January. Being the gym love in January means absolutely just chaotic like.
No,
it's not on and on the law, maybe just mental like.
Yeah,
it's sick.
And New Year's resolution is fairly le dul ha in gym nísmó ach imi fiara because then like cause níl tú chuna bheith Grammy is the limit to daine just a bunch of as 100 on Cador like they'll miss it like they're almost this gym in January like I'd say give out daine got free because you've a clue I would literally be mentioned list the hand like you Gary that like like hunched over like you Gary the focus to us like at their mahudge film a farm milchna so no I think tas go mahudge limits hain hun 6-pack is out of the like no hun with the jazz cruhia agus gal to steel le tiispan the much courage like agus Nemo watcher because beam nervous out just on in rod child but the much courage like Kate van Gate
ní drug plan is in them lenár
no I think go solid where this fish just came and it's reach species because rolling out the screw they're not well made screw Laima post isn't
actually another ring about actually New Year's resolution
and ring too
King just stop my DM off my thingy
Jimmy la sin
I think you're on my heart to get a V
ring to Garvey gan thing at DM Keiko all because of Visha revision grow hard
you're soft on an hour like just reacting the story in those kids like they were my own personal messages like
oh my
brutal.
God
Which are brutal but I'm not proud as in play conscious to be honest because I fought in the shower so
Carvey oh my God
fair played it
níor mu chuáach DM like a chuige like ní cheáling iad. I'd just be like, or even that cheáach and it was never like, you know, like you might just like shinka jazz. Like that'd be it. Like that'd be the extent on DM.
No, bhfuil tú le do chalín na
Okay, yes, and when gur churma DM, I ended up in a committed relationship with Leanne.
100% shot accuracy at Hugh Carr.
Yeah, exactly. You know,
shot accuracy.
Can't miss the shots.
And we got like 0.27%.
It's Misha and LeBron James of DMing. I just like one and done. I just.
It's Mission James of Flatharta on NBA.
Oh my god. James Bart. Do James Bart.
Yeah.
Galrá ige storm agus galrá a craic an gáileh bhaca sibh an stuff an NUIG agus na exams de ré. There's the show na cinnig bhí an am sa bheith siúil ar March agus a cadín there's the show an saharan agus an dónanis. So mat a dinge bí géis lei seo agus níor stiir lein na scrútí a bhí am sa bheith acu an March. Just a heads up. Ach, if he so the ship's in Galib, so they run crack or walk ship JV na Holly Classla.
Well, the mission of Mahoney like Holly na hain go NUIG, so higlum tahi seki she a chlustal vishi nam skirdi and cadin after she ayana jidona nish. Agus nil she is good the gwini marta dini tai gober agus kai shid rodi ahru hartanish agus sin gur dúirló nach meic na hálaíach chuige fan géad lán nó d mar sin nach tá si de ranniscoil siad go thomlan ná ag céad fan géad. So tá sé simú le eáil le tarlú ar Twitter.
Oh yeah, na físní gus na pictarí gus an mar sin. I know walk tú though bhí rifast as dunne as GMIT sílam nó as etstart eile in gáileh. A bhí áthú a thudscrúdaí a bhgu marall an storm agus chur dinge like rifás like lecture like lector bheith like you know to pasta gom or whatever like you know came to Mhaoir agus bhín lector like nation five so like mata you know mata to say Gary the like over and that's still like screwed like sin the five pain like really like you know nasty.
Sin fasa.
Yeah, Melchna. But yeah, Hannig on the fishni. Agus was Rugeisha la liveline faster. Be like invigilator or Schuler liveline. Like it just basically cost a whistleblower. Like we shall like no to Melchna Shaw. Agus we shall like I'm probably come faster call you. But he was like whatever. So grand, you know, from a country shop. So
sure, Mr. or Twitter grow. Den éigen an mí I mór na trá caiigros de stíl leisure gennne scrúdú as chuní siad an vigilator ag liáil ahan lehanach den na scrúd fapper sal ar chuir si tíos ar háblin an altaí iad. Like ní bailach bí eile le cóbhadáil ach sin saolí like an saolí na airdrapla lig getil deirta sin sin.
Agus fásta like ní higla sin enú gan de vas go caiú a bhain jazz like ní higla like tú ná de vas go caiú like either ní roast the caiú vas go Harby no she's just a one she's so strong sack and she's like agus into the egg lock as well so you can like a reach like dog ratch like dog
nu vi Paul sa mask as you got
vi corle na McLean
Is a tang am as bulb.
No. I'm has a filter, I'm has a thief like
nish leis an story gan arc ar an bhí an seo mar bhí sin absolutely caiia.
Nova damp test.
Jeez.
Nasty. You little nasty.
You little nasty.
No.
Waki sibse gro cóir in na Miléin in os go na hair an galú gro siad de dirblod mé alagur chuirsid mí man airde i taispan do gooine céird bhí na hálí scrúdú cos leis agus fuair siad rifust ó NUIG rá é bhaint a nús agus mar sin win siad logo NUIG ón Victor as chuir siad an airde rí sé.
Oh my god. Hoca lei se bheith éon ócáil. Probably.
Yeah.
Éon ócáil úta an dachannaí maroon agus fáil.
Agus bhí University of the Year ar an Victor Kamai so.
Oh my god.
That could be any quad. What?
Hugla sin bhain éon ócáil tweeted by Corlin na Maclean NUIG. Agus bheith sin attribute, you know, it just go bringing thing away and take wrench and put their shot, you know.
Yeah.
Just firmate. Ní airmid céine firmate, but just Harley shot. Oh my god. Tá nuairt bug agin inis le haid na éisteoirí dílis dan na dingy Italian starting má agus na dingy must se the episode fast na Geansaí den fátí ras ar fátí hiking podcast tá actually hun sas bug a walker and ag táart an charting sugan so be episode daig I chart má ar an chartula Jake dan Nollaig. Yeah, agus then obviously be sibse be Virginia griha leis an Nollaig so támuid hon saspe go lacu gotí mí anar. So I think we could be an charting in the blianúir na sin a dat dirt much sílam.
Yeah, heaping being seachtainiúil? No.
Yeah, and seachtainiúil, yeah, good. So in seachtainiúil the mí anar, so mat the gurk we're good Spotify's and we're good iTunes that could be road agus just which love hain cén fa nachhfuil episode than the Seansálaithe Chearra and lime blianúir ná an lime of Nollaig. It's custom Virginia absolutely stuffed Flatharta agus lehanrod. So should have nach bhfuil ma John. Will sibsúil le brisú a wacu will plans bhí agam there, you know, and cookish don Nollaig.
No, just giche go having the craic.
Just a glacu ski.
Vi ma hunter rag, like, oh, I'm actually going to be or whatever, but you can't read the shot in rain though, so it's not like it's not like well ni lorry
that's secretly a brawning at here.
Yeah, 100%. Oh, that drama. Tá many group chats again ar fád like the kin just James Eagrán, the kin just Bishop James agus like just cool cancer cheala.
Yeah.
Ham ar fád.
Drama geddon and show.
Fucking drama. Fucking Hugh Mac Giolla Aran jumper fucking shit.
Notions. Absolute notions.
Well, kept up with a blank because like Chris Evans. This imagine having my vet ironic.
Oh, feckin' James, a Calu criminal cigar, just, you know, he still looks like a fucking Tá muid mag Tá muid dafal in it dar greasy. But yes, so just le alls her hug of matches recruiting the podchraoladh Har Nollaig níhí tú because tá muid gonna bheith ag glacu sás bread tailte sílam fásta, you know.
Agus siúd plug muid ag season finale.
Ooh! Season 1.
Is go more cliffhanger on.
Oh, Badger. Just ag Jerry an episode just chucky thing you stab my hammer and they'll just drag me away because they're like and make Hugh or Ash la high strike it off.
It does have a mission message. The DM photo.
And scene.
Yeah.
Tá mission on a bheith imma ahar.
No. We do not even joke for you. Not a fear.
Too far.
No. All you gotta be engaged.
Oh yeah, I'm telling you, shouldn't have run to the Nollaig my. Oh. Ding ding.
Who's le G nach ding an mhuachil gailge.
Yeah. Taking shadow on you, taking chan flying you. I'm telling you. So be no bishop chip much your bait. I'm sure go may new up more. Ogling higher Nollaig. I'm sorry. Tamaga shoddy. No be cracked agus kinship image listen cracker fod on Nollaig agus an blianúir an with the Tarlian image live.
Gonna locht Éist kun je tangoling in the man host version like maar moet je beginnen topics kings dat je beginnen 3 Egypt vakantie throw us a message we'll do our best so that is on
ní bhé muid suin haar Nollaig big I'd say we much cur a couple of these so you know to let you know go Jimmer to much follow
go
much bio yeah go home
go much iontach
Be sure my football special I'll be like but no kinse be con Jaguar live haar and Nollaig fast na be in níarf Tá go fád bio go fád live I know go mé móhin se gohfuil Mommy agus daddy agus Uncle Hugh ag fágáil le tomul but no béimeidirrás leis an cracker fád agus kinse mata ein skeeltaí na mátaí ná ein mata fiberí beag Peter much casa agony ans Peter commission a plan
Colman cos Bridgerton like is
oh yeah just type on hiúlin or Beidh be casa Little Women Beidh be like you know Jenny much scale all war ma sam the tag ma no be
Sprálam gofuil Little Women agus Bridgerton feici agus mé cóbródúilnis.
Tá Little Women fucking deadly there's a class
I mean Bridgerton
oh I mean ag Gerard Terminator 2 nar a change as jazz sa lava yeah sin wrote yeah no not Gerard Die Hard yeah sin
I mean yeah
cool dudes
cool. yeah cool guys don't look at explosions
and the backs and the walk away gas okay well she look about sin dan seachtain seo bhfuil ein rud le faice le plugáil na le bunch
Formmuid nuacht mai an seachtain seo gomuid ar na cartain in Éireann gur couple lá buchas le Spotify rapte chun antóla sin ar fáilún agus for mar machfuil muidirné míle precious míle stream
a file ring McGlán Jarvis
it's the cage tra so you're new jazz and bud craling an seachtain seo
bring my glán Jarmer dashin bring my Jarmer gur hannig Spotify wrapped ama an chartlings fi hard agus fi me kinse har of embarrassing so ní flay him with day
was that Southern shocking because basically took RON.
Oh, I'd say so. But no, gur míle maige was míle true is ridiculous. Agus faster the best decent McCartney like shock thing she didn't just decent McCartney in Éireann. I thought dark ratchet. So yeah, gur míle maige I liked us an takiat imliana. Agus mu just go mór leis an takeíocht a last inis sa bhlianúir agus ó seáma seanslaithe forever mar dearan siad but yeah no gur míle maige fosachta agus bhí daine agus bhí like na seanslaithe mar like an pre-fád creaú déist lá like a rican blian madness absolute madness so sim just so an ná Jenny Jarm mu last ar Instagram ag na seanslaithe ar Twitter ag na seanslaithe Tá YouTube ag na seanslaithe agus seo gur féidir leat an fi an galanta seo eiceil ag má dhéanú ar máúí dhéanú ar ma Geansaí galanta Aran fásta má gur ma hain amsú ar Twitter agus ar Instagram tá hí smart Hugh car hir má gur NUIG amsú tá si hí smart NUIG Vínta simply ar Instagram agus ar Twitter agus mu gur James Flatharta a fáil ar Instagram ná ar Twitter tá se hí mar Flatharta I do ra you got that little bit of oomph
doing CH chorzaach dera
FLATHARACH flam sinna pieces táhachtaí. Well, sláinlibh agus an can an charting sugaring le haid an season finale. Great live charting sugaring le haid Eagrán na Nollaig na Seansálaithe. Ach dí sin gur míle maigim agus sláinlibh.